Referencing is an essential academic skill for you to become competent at, and there are lots of reasons why we have an expectation to reference. Now, firstly, you need to provide the evidence to support the arguments and points you are making, otherwise it looks very much like you have made them up yourself. This also lends credibility to your own work and strengthens your argument and accountability. If you spend lots of time researching and finding academic sources to use and build your argument and write a really high quality assignment, you want this to be recognized. And by referencing your sources, your tutor will be able to see that you've engaged with the most relevant literature and used credible sources. It's also important to show the reader where you have used someone else's ideas or words, and you want to give credit to the researchers and authors whose work you've used to build your own arguments. And in academic work, it's important to avoid plagiarism, the action of taking someone else's works, ideas and so on, and passing it off as your own. Now, you probably wouldn't do this on purpose, but it's important to make sure you are properly referencing to show when something isn't your original idea to avoid this. Another reason why we reference is that by correctly referencing, you allow the person reading your work to follow up on your references and to check the validity of your arguments for themselves and read the documents you've used. This is a useful researching tip as well, because you should always make use of the reference lists of any sources you have used to help you find new material. And this is why it is so important to ensure your references are accurate and you make sure you record the full details of everything you read whilst you're doing your research. Lastly, referencing is a transferable skill, not just an academic exercise designed to make your life difficult. And being able to accurately extract and record information is a skill used in many professional jobs, and in future careers you may be asked to research a new product or report on new ways to deal with a problem. So having the ability to find and accurately record information is a very useful skill.